On the 9th of February 2023, as you can see by this car cam image, Helensburgh suffered an absolute deluge, as did throughout the Illawarra, where there were floods and God knows what else, even cars carried out to sea. But here we have my car cam, and you can see the water gathering like a river. And here it's flowing across, and it flowed into Coles, as you will see in a moment. This new crossing acted as a reservoir, as you can see, and the water just literally found the drains useless. It's not even full of water, the drain. It's just come straight across, gone into Coles, and the workers and council workers were there actually to do some things, and fortunately they put these boards across, but look at that water pouring across, taking absolutely no notice of the drain that's there, that it's supposed to be going into. And with those boards it was diverted, but still though it caused a problem, and it's a bad problem of design by someone in Wollongong City Council, not making an allowance for any drainage from that position there. Anyway, we'll see. These look, even across the road there, it's like a rapid. Golly, but this was a decent downpour. I think we got about 300 or 400 millimetres of rain in about a couple of hours. Now we continue along Walker Street. I've never seen it like this. We move into a close-up there of the east side and see the water not only going down the drain, it's still going down the path. And here it is, another reservoir at the southern crossing. Thanks very much. And here we are. It's now really pouring down this way. So much for these lower properties. Where's all this going? Well, it's all going into Camp Creek, which is the Hacking River lifeblood source, and more water. This is where Hacking Creek is, underneath the road here, but you wouldn't think so. It looks like it's on top of the road, and it's all flooding across here, so enjoy this ride as we head back to Stanwell 12s. Well, there you are. A journey that usually takes maybe 2-3 minutes took almost double the length of time. One must drive carefully. Thank you for viewing.